Welcome to today trading analysis, this 24th of March. So I'm going to be doing the analysis of what's probably going to happen today and then the possible trade we can all anticipate for. So if you also like to check the chart right now, this is for our time frame. You can see we have what an impulse movement here. So this impulse movement was actually caused by news. So we have Fed press conference, FOMC, and then Fed interest. So these are the three news that happened during the last day, the previous day. So price actually closed right now because of price is yet to open for today. You understand? So that's just for that. So you have to like to analyze the market to see what is probably going to happen. The entry you are going to like to see, and then how to enter into the trade. So that's what I'm going to be doing right now. So if you check on 4-hour time frame right now, you can see that price end up breaking a lot of highs. Then say price broke this high here. This high. Then price broke this high. Price broke this high. So this movement actually end up breaking a lot of financial in the colors like to red. So you can all see clearly. Red. Then this also to red. So if you also like to check this carefully, that this movement actually broke what multiple highs. Is the movement that broke this particular high, this high, and also this high. So all this on the price end up taking a loss of liquidity. So it was this particular movement that end up breaking all these particular highs. So you can see we have what a break of structure. You can see we have a break of structure that price indicates that it's been what on a bullish trend. So every single time we have a break of structure in the market, it indicates that price is what being what on a bullish trend. So this way we have the break of structure. Let me delete it and then put an arrow there. So you have a break of structure here. So what is responsible for this break of structure? We have what the order block. So this way institutional trader puts in funds. Sorry, this way institutional trader puts in funds to like take this to break this particular high. So and then this movement end up breaking a lot of highs. It's the one that broke this high as I've mentioned earlier, and this and also this. So this is order block that is responsible for it. So we are anticipating for price to come all the way down to this 4-hour order block. But this 4-hour order block is a very big order block. If I have like to use this particular order block and then risk use one block side, I'm going to end up, if price eventually go against me, I'm going to lose what? $746. You understand? So I'm not going to like to use this particular 4-hour order block. I'm going to like to go to the time frame so I can reduce what my risk ratio and then to make a very huge reward ratio. So to make a very huge reward ratio. So let's just go to like let me delete this and then let's go to like to our time frame. So our time frame. So if you check to our time frame right now, you see how the particular order block is. So you see how the particular order block is. So let's check 1 hour time frame on our time frame. So if you check 1 hour time frame right now, you can see we have a different story. We have this is the break of structure I mentioned earlier. So it's not actually straight, but this is the break of structure. You guys can see it. And then this moment eventually end up breaking a lot of highs. And what is responsible for it, you can see this is the order block actually responsible for it on 1 hour time frame. So there's high probability that price is going to retest this particular order block and not even come into this 4-hour order block. You understand? So price goes like to retest this order block. So I have to like to delete this 4-hour order block. So you're going to like to make use of this 1-hour order block. So you're going to wait patiently for price to come all the way down to enter into this our order block. So if I have to like to set up what my entry here, so if I set up my entry and then my stop loss, then if I use one starter loss size, I'm going to lose like $230. $339 if I use one starter loss size, you understand? And then the profits I'm going to be making is going to be it's got 2,900 if I have to like to set my take profit here, because and also price is going to go above this particular high, you understand? So I just have to like to set my take profit here. But actually I'm not going to enter into this field like this. I'm going to wait for confirmation. So I'll wait patiently for price to retrace all the way down to this particular order block. So once price retraces into this order block, I'll go to lower time frame like let's just go to 15 minutes. I'll go to lower time frame like 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 3 minutes, or 1 minute to do for what another break of structure. So if I find another break of structure using 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, I'm going to make use of that order break of structure. So if you guys don't understand what is called break construction, I'm going to leave a link in the description that's going to like to explain what break construction is And then if you guys want to like to understand the market structure, how to trade as a bank or how to trade like a institutional trading concept and every single thing you need to know about it, you can message me on my Telegram, and then I'm going to like to put you through on every single thing you need to know about trading. You understand? So that's just for that. So if you have like to check 15 minutes right now, this 15 minutes, let's go to 5 minutes. So if you check 5 minutes, you can see we have this low here. So I just put this low as a liquidity that price needs to like to tap it. So once price tap this low, it's not necessary for price to retest this particular order block. Price can just end up taking this particular low and then start going up. So immediately price tap this particular low, just go to lower time frame and then start to look for what a break of structure on lower time frame, just like 1 minute, 3 minutes. So once you see a break of structure in the market, make use of the order block that is responsible for the break of structure. There is the order block that you're going to make use of, and then it's going to give you a very high ratio, just like 1 ratio 20, 1 ratio 15, 1 ratio 25, and so on. You understand? It all depends. So that's what we're going to be doing tomorrow. And then if you have to like to check here, we have what a very clear order block. Can you see the block here? So this is what it's called block. Can you see the block here? This is the block. You can see the candle really from what a block. So we have a very clear order block here. So that's just for that. But it's not really compulsory for price to come all the way down into this order block. It can end up taking this particular liquidity and then change direction. So once price takes this particular liquidity, just look for what a break of structure using lower time frame. You understand? So that's just for that. So that is just what we're anticipating for tomorrow. So if you're new to this channel, I would appreciate if you guys subscribe and then turn up your notifications. So I'm going to like to be doing another video probably tomorrow on what you should be expecting the next day. You understand? So that's just for that. So see you guys in my next video.